Hey there friends, welcome to another unboxing and installation video. 3K solar powered wireless security camera. Has a light on there as well, so I like that you don't have to do like a hard wiring with that. So it should be pretty easy to do. Okay, got some instructions. Come on out of there. Got the light right here. Little security sticker. Pretty long little cable here. Let's check this out. Probably about 10, 11 feet long. That's nice. And then our installation, other things like that. Okay, so I'm gonna put this like basically right over my door, so people coming up on the porch, I'll be able to see them. All right, so it's literally this little screw here. I don't know how I didn't see the sticker before, but it's just remove the screw and then you can remove the solar panel. Got it. Okay. Now we can slide this forward. Undo that there. And it's just basically, this is going to attach into there. Looks nice and waterproof. That's cool.
Hello.
Hello. Got it. Got it. Okay. AI surveillance detection settings, cloud recording, video, audio. Obviously, we're gonna have feedback on there. Anyways, the camera's really nice. Let's go put this over the door here. Okay. Installation here was as simple as 3 little screws right there, and then you just line up the holes there, stick it on there and slide it down. That snaps into place. If you want to pull it off, you push that little tab and lift it up. All right, so there it is there. Looks pretty decent, perfectly centered in there, and we'll check out the video here. To mount the solar panel, screw this into the back right there, and then this goes, you feed this part through there before you screw it on there, and then this just mounts wherever you want it for the solar panel, and there's 3 screws to hold that into place, and then this just screws right on to that. Try to get it a little, there we go. So I get some light that comes in. I'm hoping I can just mount it right here because I didn't really have a lot of space to where I could put this. So hoping that right here is gonna be good because I do have a lot in the morning. The sun comes up right here. See if I just rotate that underneath like that. And I think, we'll see if that works for me or not. Should be good. All right, let's check out the video then. This looks pretty legit. Well, there it is. Pretty easy install. Here we are on the full screen mode here. Oh, that's cool. It automatically set up the time and everything right there. You hear the birds singing as I'm monitoring this in the background. Pretty sweet, actually. Little birds singing. That's good audio, excellent picture quality. And we'll do a little night vision thing too, and show you guys how that looks. All right, here is the porch looking out with just the light right there. And I'll show you kind of what it is. It's pretty bright, actually. Hope I just got the motion sensor. Check that out. So really brightens up the whole area. I like it a lot. It's nice. It's super sensitive, so it just sense it immediately. And then yeah, it does a nice job of just lightening up the area. It's telling me there's motion at my door. And we'll check out the app in the darkness here. Okay, check this out. It's pretty much pitch dark right here. Just a little bit of overhead light. And wow, I think I'm out here. You can see how good that is. My other light just came on. But man, really good quality as far as like the night vision here. I'm saying really well. And just kind of walking up here. Hey. Gives me, it lets me know, hey, there's motion been detected. Sorry, I got my little, but yeah, it works really well. Okay, the light just came on, so see the light in there, super bright, just brightens up my whole porch, and you can see it just kicked on right there. So we have yeah, look how it brightens up the whole area here, and this is on the camera, so you can see. I can zoom in. Oh, I'm literally zooming in on my own camera here, but look at this quality. You can zoom and look across the road there, so you can see the quality is really nice here. Pretty impressed with it. The light stays on. You can adjust in the settings how long you want it to stay on, but really impressed with it, guys. Actually, the night vision, as you can see, is pretty incredible, and it gives me updates and stuff like that. So yeah, pretty impressed with this.